Well, everyone, you might be trying to go through and figure out how you can go ahead and use Copilot inside of Microsoft Excel. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. Number one, you're going to have to remember a few things. Within Copilot, you do have to have kind of the paid subscription model to use Copilot inside of applications. So Copilot Pro, if you look right here, Copilot Pro, it tells us that in order to use it, we have to basically go through and get the paid version. The free version doesn't have it. We can unlock Copilot and select Microsoft 365 apps, including Excel, by getting the Pro version. So make sure you have that. Now, if you have that, you're basically good to go. As long as you're logged into the same Microsoft account that has the Copilot Pro option, both the desktop application and the online application, whichever one, you should be able to see this Copilot icon that shows up right here. I can't even zoom into it. But basically, this Copilot icon right here, if you click on the Home tab, allows you to go ahead and use Copilot inside of Excel. So now what you can do is you can tap into Copilot like this, and it will go ahead and open up your particular Copilot instance. So now you can go ahead and basically kind of make your Copilot task whatever you want it to be. So now you can go through and kind of say whatever you want to in here, and it's basically up to you. So that's kind of the fun thing about this. You can kind of go through and use this whichever way you want to, but that's essentially how you do it for the most part. So now you can go through and kind of type in whatever you want to. You can ask it questions, and then whenever you're done, you can click on X, and then you're back to the beginning. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.